What's up, it's Sin and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing something that I just got in the mail. So if you are interested in seeing what it is, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Print Squad, today I just got a package in the mail and the package is right here. So you know, it's something I want to add to the business, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and let you guys see what it is. Whoa. Do y'all really want to see what's in this box? Cause I think it's something that y'all not expecting that's in this box. So do y'all really want me to show y'all what's in here? All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to y'all, cause I don't want nobody like Regan on the last video. He was like, just open the box. Let me go ahead and open it for y'all and stop trying to leave y'all in suspense. Look, I want to show this part last. Y'all might have already seen it anyway. All right, but right here, as you see, let me just grab this box out of here if I can. Let me move it and grab this out of here if I can. Let me put this other thing back in here, and I'll show this in a minute, but that's gonna get a whole thing away. All right, so right here, let me go and open this up. Y'all see what it is? Y'all think y'all know what it is? Let me see. All right, we got the paperwork for it right here. Y'all see this? All right. All right, and we have the warranty right here. I didn't get a warranty with the other one. I'm gonna have to fill this out. In order to be valid, you must fill out the warranty card and mail it. Okay, I will do. All right, so right here, y'all see what it is. Let me try to go ahead and grab it up out of here. Y'all see what it is right here. I'm sure that y'all was not expecting this. Sure that y'all was not expecting it. All right, so right here, this is the 1 1/4 inch button maker right here. Same as before right here. As y'all see that? So this one is just a smaller version of the other one. Yeah, so I have added a new size. Just wanted to let y'all check that out. And also, I think this is 25 buttons that I think that automatically comes with. Anytime you order this type of button maker, it comes with it. And also, I got right here. This is an additional 250. You may be able to see it on here. You may be able to see it on here right there, 250 more buttons and the pin backs. But where are the Mylar sheets? Oh, okay, they're right here. Thought they was missing. They're right there inside of here. But yeah, that's what I got, y'all. So now I'm able to offer 3 different size buttons. I have the Badger Minute 2 1/4, and I have the 3-inch button maker from Dr. Dunn, and now I have this new edition 1 1/4 inch button maker. You know, so right here, I will be trying to do some button making videos soon. I had this. This actually came in early, the order today, but I wanted to do some of this. So actually, I have 300 buttons right here. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna grab my box back there because I already had ordered it after I ordered the first set. and everything fit, I went ahead and ordered the second one. But I got some plans for this right here, so I will be doing a video on that very soon to let you guys check out my ideas that I had with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in the box right quick and get it together. All right, so if y'all watched my other video, y'all saw that I had purchased this box right here, a box just like this, and this is the second box of this same size right here. I will leave the links down below this video so that you guys get that if you're interested. And right here, this is the cutter I'm going to be using with this size right here, unless I get something different in the future. But yeah, this one, it actually is pretty neat. I was testing it out yesterday when I was setting it up for the size, and once you know, cut the sheet out, it actually sticks to the back of here somehow. I guess it's got like a little suction or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in here so y'all can see how everything fits, in case any of y'all are interested in this and y'all have this size button maker. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. If I can open this up, let me see. I don't want to destroy this bag because I can reuse it. I did want to count these and see how many it is right quick. Yeah. 23, 24, 25. Yeah, that's 25. So altogether, what I have in this box will be 300 buttons. And y'all see, I'm trying to open these. I'm trying to open these up so that I can reuse these bags, y'all. Cause like when I sell the buttons, I could use these bags again. Put them in there and have them in there, so I can stick this in here. Yeah, but I'm gonna let y'all check everything out. Like right here, I could put the Milo sheets over here, but right here, as you guys see, the pin backs right there. I have the regular buttons right here. And actually, I'm planning on getting like some flat backs and some other things. I could put them in here, and probably eventually we'll move this out of the way. But yeah, this is what everything's looking like. Y'all can check it out. My new 1 1/4 inch button maker right here. And all right, squad, that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video or found it helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you have not subscribed to this channel or my other channel, which is the T-Shirt Chick Live channel, where I do the live streams Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. every day, Monday through Friday, go ahead and subscribe to both channels, and be sure to hit that bell notification button so that you won't miss out, and you'll be notified as soon as I post new videos. And also follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV, and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And one other thing, I have links down below the videos of the supplies and equipment. So if you're interested in purchasing a button maker, I have the links for that, plus a coupon code, so you guys can use that, to your advantage. But I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.